YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl right here, aka Lilcutenurse. Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? How you been, sisters, brother, uncles? How y'all doing? I'm back, y'all. I got my Boxycharm box. This is the November's box for sure, but I also have the October's box. We're gonna do both boxes, y'all, but I'm gonna do November first for everybody who only want to see November. And if you just want to know what I got in my Boxycharm box for the month of October, which I have not opened yet, we can open it together if y'all want to hang out with me, you know what I'm saying. But for right now, we're gonna see what's in this November's box. Keep on watching, y'all. Okay guys, let me cut open this box and see what we got. Yeah, I haven't seen any spoilers, because y'all know I was gone working and I haven't really watched any videos that I've been watching videos, but I haven't seen any of the people that I normally watch unbox these boxes. Unbox a box, if that makes sense. That was a lot of darn boxes, wasn't it? That was a lot of darn boxes. But anyway, this is how the box looks on the inside. And this says the Harvest Box. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's going to be changing with Boxycharm and IPSY coming together. And that reminds me, I need to go ahead and cancel my IPSY. I need to get the balls to just cancel it. I'm going to let it go. Okay. This says Boxycharm Harvest Box. And oh, we got something from Natasha Denona, because the first thing I see in here is a 25% off coupon for Natasha Denona's website. I will be utilizing that coupon. I will. Okay, let me just grab. The first thing I see is a Natasha Denona palette. Apparently, because it's in a cardboard box. This is how they come from Natasha Denona, because they break. Oh, I thought it was a mini palette. I think I did see Manny holding this up. And I thought it was one of the minis, but apparently it's not. It's the Natasha Denona Peak palette. P-E-A-K. That's cute. A 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. It says this is $48. Ooh, and this is warm tone. Can y'all see that? Yeah, buddy. I like that. Now, I really like this. I like this. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, I did see somebody talking about this. They said you wouldn't find this in stores. It was exclusive for Boxycharm. So, thank you, Boxycharm. I will add that to my collection. The next thing I see in here, Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel. I had something from Peach and Lily. I think it's wait a minute. Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. What did I have from Peach and Lily? I don't know what it was, but it was something in a IPSY box came from Peach and Lily. This is a hydrating gel. Oh, it's a face cleanser. It says cleansing properties can be the difference between healthy skin, problem skin, between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keep your skin barriers intact. It says it's a deep cleansing to help your skin feel fresh and hydrated. And it's $28. If I'm not mistaken, Peach and Lily is sold at Ulta. I can't remember what I had. It's got camellia and chamomile in it. That's what it looks like. I know I had something from Sephora. I mean from it came from Ulta because I looked it up, but it was in an IPSY box. I just cannot remember what it was, but I remember the Peach and Lily. I think it's in my face cleanser. It's around my bathroom sink. Now the next thing I see in this box is Yinsa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polish Mask. Oh, now I like turmeric. This is a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish, polish to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and hydrated complexion. The lightweight exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes, and it's $45. Did I tell you the Peach and Lily? Yeah, it was $28. It's got turmeric in it. I couldn't get past that. Ooh, a polishing 2-in-1 resurfacing and polishing mask. That's what it looks like. It looks like this box is a lot of skincare. Natasha Denona palette so far. Because the next thing I see in here is a little bitty tube. Alamore Cosmetics. Is that what this is? A long wear sticky pigment primer. Alamore Cosmetic Pro Primer Apparel Primer. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. It says it's $15. Okay, I can't complain about that. Let's see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't feel too sticky, but oh yeah, it does. I like Alamore Cosmetics, so I ain't mad about that. I'll take that. I'll take that. And the last thing I see in here is a Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. I wanted this, but I refused to buy it because I have so many mascaras. This mascara is $24. It's waterproof, intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers. Did I read that right? Heart-shaped fibers? With thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Okay. Now see, I was going to hold on to this, but now curiosity has gotten the best of me. I will have yet another mascara open. Y'all know oh, this is heavy. I just opened the Lash Freak mascara from, this is heavy, from Urban Decay. I want to see the heart-shaped fibers. I probably need a microscope. That's what the tip looks like. I want to put some on the back. Well, ain't nothing coming off on my hand. Is it dry? I don't see no heart-shaped fibers, but it's a dry mascara. That's a good thing. Because a wet mascara is like the Lash Freak, the one I got, goes up and always gets on the top of my lashes. I made a black eye, didn't I? Well, I'll be darned. Okay, well, it's Milk Makeup. I didn't buy it. The Natasha Denona palette paid for the whole box. So, I ain't upset. I ain't upset. That's November's box. And I put the total price of this box down there somewhere below. Now, for you guys who want to stick around and see what I got in my October box, let's get at it. Let's see what we got. And I didn't see any video. I really didn't see any videos for this because y'all, I was working hard. This says Candy Shop. Ooh, Boxycharm Candy Shop. Save the date. Enjoy exclusive members on discount on pop-up. Well, of course, I missed that. The first thing I see sitting on top here is a Dose of Colors concealer. I wanted one of these. Okay. But I didn't buy it. It's $24. Multitasking full coverage concealer. Somebody walking by, y'all, and I'm being nosy. Oh, well, I don't know. I wanted one of these, but I didn't buy one. Ooh, yes, I thought it was going to be too light. I've heard so many good things about this Dose of Colors concealer, and I am happy to have that. Yeah, I've missed I'm glad I missed the videos. It's in 24 Dark. That's the shade that I got. Okay. And it says that this was, I said 24 hours. I'm tripping, y'all. The next thing I have in here is Symbiosis Hyaluronic Acid Tightening and Replenishing Eye Mask. Okay, I can do an eye mask. Y'all know I was just complaining about how my eyes, you know, under here be all dry looking. So it says this Symbiosis London Tightening and Replenishing Eye Mask is a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask. in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, Poulan, as well as shea butter. Okay, $93, girl. $93. Y'all see it? $93. Okay, we're gonna keep a close eye on these under eyes so we can see how this really 90. Okay, let's keep on going with the video. The next thing I have here is a Luxie bag. Y'all, some Luxie brushes. Yes, Luxie Wonder Lux set. That's what it says. And it says this Wonder Lux set is $40. It don't feel like a big set. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. This size set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. It looks cool. Y'all know I'm a brush addict, so I am happy. Yes, anytime my collection of brushes can grow, not at my expense, I am ecstatic. And I do love Luxie brushes. I know I had bought a set from the Boxy pop-up here earlier this year. Don't remember when, so I ain't gonna lie, y'all. But it was earlier this year. Okay. And the next thing I have here, Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner. And it says this lip liner is $18. Is it just one? Oh, it's two. I'm glad I didn't throw you away, dude. Come on out of there. Don't be shy. Draw It Lip Liner. Duo. $16 for 2. This is what they look like. And those are the colors. Good choices. Good choices. Let's watch them right there. That's good. Yes, that's good. Okay, Boxy, I see you. Both of them good. That's a nude right there next to it, and that's a red. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy. Both boxes, I am ecstatic. I am loving. The last thing in here is a Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. Let me see what it says. It says Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. It says delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. It's perfect for the classic office happy hour transitional touch-up. It says this palette was $38. Alright, Beauty Bakery. I have a blush palette, but I never picked up an eyeshadow palette by them. Oh, that's cute. That is really cute. A lot of natural shadows. That is cute. I like that. Yes, this is going not to my daughter's list. This is going in my next makeup look. This is pretty. I like this. Okay, guys. Let me know what you think of my 2 boxes. I am happy that I waited to open these with you guys because, you know, I'd be really excited. And when I get something that I really like, I'll be wanting to share it. So to open at the same time. Y'all know what it is. Alright, guys. I will see y'all in the next video. We still got my October's box and IPSY's to open. But I'm going to wait till the next corresponding box open and just smash them together, y'all. Alright, y'all stay blessed and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.